J5 in the house tonight. Damn right, we in the house tonight.
It's like front and center for those who don't get it. We hit it, stay committed. The skies is the limit. Rock on and twist it, hop it, don't stop it. Drop it like it's heavy when the DJ knock it.
Tight swift, so fitted. My folks is close knitted. With every note, we gon' get close to your spirit. If not, post and pivot. Some folks just don't get it. We got a gross fetish for beats and dope lyrics for real.
Watch my committee as we stomp through your city, destroying every and any club or academy. Rap styles we plenty, baby. Rain, snow or sunny. The game is nose running. My team is show money.
Yes, Lord, it's hard to not give us applause, accolades and awards to even out the odds. Solidify the bars with flavor they can't dodge. We kill them and play hard within 16 bars.
That's just that we do it. J5 in the house tonight. Damn right, we in the house tonight.
Yeah, we like to mash hard, Bogart, kill it when the track's hard. Yes, y'all, fresh, y'all, fly shit you ever saw. A to the K, I to the L, Rockwell. Hit the block, tip top in every jail cell.
Push the panic button, cause we like a planet coming. Vicious avalanche or something, plus I ain't retracting nothing. Enough said, we roll with rough tread. You old and busted, my crew, we hustling.
Yeah, we grandstand when we can't stand. This is one hell of a plan, and my clan's ambitious. We allergic to lies and to ham sandwiches, and we stay flexible for if the grand plan switches.
So if by chance you catch a glimpse of the West Coast representative, 5-star commemorative, rap far from primitive, invented it. Just hear it and remember it's us, J5.
Just touched by J5 in the house tonight. Listen, damn right, we in the house tonight. J5 in the house tonight. Listen, damn right, we in the house tonight.
Yo, we came to push up on ya. The Southern California top-notch performer with the corner aroma. One up on ya, yeah, tell it to a friend. We suck it up and blow it out in the wind,
yo. Come from the beginner, never been a pretender. 7 letters and put them together, kill a competitor. Better than most, we serving devils for dinner. Trying to get to one of the 7 levels of Jenna. For real, we set trends
and never follow behind. My crew be swallowing rhymes while you following dimes. We take it to the limit, no gimmicks or false images. Style is all scrimmage, that's why I'm all in it.
Yeah, we certified the vibe and cutting off the air supply. We kick, spit, stab, artillery, vocab. The minute we go back, that old school rhythm we show that. A lot of cats wish to clone that. And that's that.